This is how to input your custom macros and calories into MyFitnessPal if you have an Android. You're going to go up to the main menu in the top left corner. You're going to go down to Goals. Now under Goals, where it says Nutrition Goals, you're going to hit Calorie, Carbs, Protein, and Fat Goals. And if you've just created an account through MyFitnessPal and put in your height and weight and your weight loss goals, your default goal is going to look quite a bit different from this. So you're going to hit, say you're working with a nutrition coach and they've given you 1,900 calories. You're going to go in and change that to 1,900. And then you're going to hit one of the macros, so the carbs down here. And just a note, I have the MyFitnessPal premium account, so this might look a little bit different. On the regular account, I believe you can only change these percentages by fives. So we'll do it that way, and then we'll do it the premium account way. So if I was eating 1,900 calories and my nutrition coach told me to do breakdowns of 40% carbs, 30% protein, and 30% fat, I would adjust it this way. And then obviously you want to make sure that the macronutrients equal 100 at the bottom. Now, if you were going to have different breakdowns, so maybe 41% carbs and 32% protein, and let's see what that looks like. So now you might need to go over to grams, and now you can see that your ratios have switched to the top. So say we wanted to adjust our carbs by gram. So we're going to go up to 41%. Protein, we are going to do 28%, and then the rest fat to get close to, there we go, 1,900 on the dot. So if you've got the premium account, you can adjust by grams. If you've got the regular account, you can adjust by your ratio over here. It's pretty easy. And then hit the check mark. And sometimes MyFitnessPal is a little glitch and does not save. So make sure when you get back to the screen, it has the calories and the macronutrient breakdown that you'd like. And then always double check, go back to your diary, and make sure that it has loaded the 1,900 in there.